Fusion quick tips. One of the most powerful nodes in DaVinci Fusion is the duplicate node. This animation was created with a text node, a transform node, 2 duplicates and a blur. Let me show you what I mean. Now in this animation here I've created a ball and a circle. I need about 5 of them. Now I could just copy the node and keep repeating, but a much easier way is to actually use the duplicate node. So I've added the duplicate node and nothing appears to have happened. And the reason for that is we need to come up to here where it says copies, change that value to 4, go down to size and increase that to 1.3. Look what happens. Now when I play that back, now they all move together and I actually want them to be offset in time. And that's easy in Fusion. All we need to do is go to the time offset value and change that to 10. Now when I play that back, how cool is that? Follow me for more.